Hi, I'm Bob German, and in this video, I'll show you how you can deploy applications directly into new teams as they're created using something called Microsoft Teams templates. So let's start right off inside of Teams administration, and there's a Teams templates area. I'll create a new one. And let's call this one a staffing team. So anytime we're going to staff up a project, we create one of these teams and give it a name and a description. And now what I can do is add a channel. So anytime you have one of these teams, you'll automatically get an interview tips channel. And then what I can also do is go into any one of these channels and just add an app. So I'm going to add our new HR app, our new talent app into here. And then whenever anybody creates a staffing team, they're automatically going to get that channel and that app. And there's all sorts of other things I could add here automatically so that whenever we create one of these teams, it has a whole consistent structure and policy to it. So let me go in and create a staffing team. You can see it has two channels in one app. And I'll go ahead and give this a name. Before long, we have our team. We can give it, we can add a couple of members to here. And there we go. Now you'll see that the tab has already been placed at the top of the screen. It is needs to be configured for this particular app. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then there's also a bot inside of the app. And you'll see that the bot is also available. If I just come in here and maybe I want to look at the open job positions, and there we go. So that's it. That's how you can deploy an application directly into your new teams using Microsoft Teams templates. Thanks for watching.